Welcome, today we're going to show you how to enable HVCI in Valorant. So it's actually very easy. The first thing that you need to do is to actually open the start menu and search for device security. As you from here. Now you need to go to core isolation. Click on the details. And now from here, if memory integrity isn't turned on, you need to turn it on. And if it's turned on, you need to turn it off. So after that, you need to actually close these settings and hit on the start menu again, go to power options and restart your PC. After you do so, you need to actually hit on the start menu again and search for the run menu. So click on here, and from here you need to search for gbedit.msc, as see from here. Hit on enter, and now the group policy will open. You need to actually go to administrative templates, and from here you need to go to system, and from here you will need to find device guard. You need to open it, and from here this menu will pop up. You need to click on turn on virtualization based security. After you enable it from here, click on enable and hit on apply and OK. Now close everything, go to the power menu, as see from here, and hit on restart again, and that's it. Now it should work for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.